How to equip titles in Brawl Stars. The first thing to do is make sure that you have fully updated your Brawl Stars application to the latest version. Now once everything is set up, just access your Brawl Stars and make sure that you log into your account. Now equipping your titles in Brawl Stars is very easy. All you have to do is just to tap your profile picture or your profile icon that's going to be at the top left corner of your screen. So this is going to be your profile. Now to show your titles, icons, and as well as your emotions, just go directly to the battle card below your character's name. So tap on that, and this is gonna be all your default icon, and you can change it. Then you can add another icon from your profile. So these are your best heroes that you can choose, and this is gonna be your pin, your default pin, and the last option is gonna be your title. So for you to be able to equip your title, it is saying in here that you have to be at a mastery level 10 for each brawler. So once you have reached that, you should be able to equip your titles without any problems. And that's it. That's how you equip titles in Brawl Stars without any problem.